are playing Lego Brick Car 2. So I think I'm going to make a construction truck. So let's do it. Okay. So I need to tell you guys what we are going to make. I'm going to make a this one right here. This one that is a very big truck and has very small construction truck. So let's do it. Okay. Wait to load in. Okay. So I think I need to make it yellow. No, I think it's like oranges. Okay, like this. Okay. And then I need to make a little bit bigger. Okay, little bit bigger, tiny bit. Okay, add this. No, this that's small. Oh guys, I need some. No, you know what? Let's stick with this. Okay, to move it a little bit here. Oh gosh. Okay, and I said this. Okay, and then wait. Oh my god, no. Oh gosh, like this. Oh yeah. Okay. Nice. Sweet. Okay, like that. Okay, I think a little bit bigger, just like that. Oh wait, that. Okay, and let's add this. Okay, and then let's add the wheels to it. Okay, gonna have a lot of wheels, wheelie. Okay, 2 tires over here. Okay, and wait, I do add a skateboard like that. Okay, and I need to make it like it's blocked over here, like that. Okay, wait. Oh gosh, wait, like that. Okay, and then like this, like so. Okay, to make it gray. Okay, add this over here, like a what are you called? A door. Yeah, and then add this. Okay, and then wait, needs this. Oh god, needs a little space. Okay, and then oh god, I need to make it a little bit taller. Oh god, no, that's fine. There's one. Okay. Wait a minute. I have to add this over here. Okay. Then like this. Okay. And then wait. I have to make the door a little bit bigger. Okay. And this one is gonna be. Let's add the wheels to it. Okay, but I need, that's fine. I need this. Yeah, this. Okay. And then I need to add another one like this. And then okay. And to make it a little bit taller. Okay. Oh wait, I need to space a little bit. Okay. And add the wheels. Okay. Like that. Okay. Okay. And add the. This one is going to be a crane one. Wait. Oh no. Okay. I need a crane. Okay. And then to add this. Oh no. I need to add the thing. Okay. Now this. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. To like this. No. That looks ugly. That looks ugly. I cannot fix it up. Oh my god. Okay. I'm really struggling, guys. Really struggling. Oh no. I don't need this color. I need this color. Okay. Oh no. Add the door here. Yeah. No, not here. Here. Okay. Okay. Like so. No. No. Oh my god. Really struggling. Really struggling. Okay. And then add this. No. I add it. Hear it? Yeah, this. Okay. Okay. Oh no. To add like that. Okay. No, it's going to be. Oh no. What I'm doing? Oh my god. Like that. Okay. Okay. And then I like that. I need yellow again. And no, not that big. Like this. Okay. Okay, that looks very good. Okay. And then we top over here too. So I need to add a door here too. Okay. A door here too. Put the pop over here too. Okay. And then add the wheels. And what this one's going to be? I know. Just see, guys. See. You guys don't know? Just see. Oh, okay. This can only carry 4 of them. This truck. Okay. Then add the glass. Okay. No, not these. I need these. Okay. And to make this. Okay. No, add this. Oh yeah. Okay. This is gonna be like that truck. Okay. And then the last one. What should I do? The last one. Do you guys have any ideas? Because I don't. I don't have any ideas for this last one. Let's think. What should I do? Oh wait, I know. It's gonna be the same one. No, not the same. Gonna be little bit different. A little bit different. No. Oh my god, that's so high. Okay. Okay, that looks cool. Okay. And oh my god, what do I do for this one? Okay. I think I have an idea. But this looks actually really cool. But this is also very heavy. Okay. First I need to add this. Okay. Like that. Add another like this. Okay. Like that. Okay. This is gonna be really small. No. Okay, like that. No, not that. Okay. Add it like this. Like so. Okay. And then I need this. Yeah, I was telling you guys. This. Oh, it's too high. It's too high. Oh no. I think I messed up. Wait, can we? No, I cannot pick it up. Okay. You make it like this. This is so tough, guys. Please like that. Please like this video, guys, because I'm struggling very. I'm very struggling. Okay. Like this. Right? Like this. Okay. Okay. And this looks really cool. Okay. Wow. It's like this big truck is like a mother, and it has like babies inside of it. That's actually kind of very adorable, right? That's really adorable. Okay, I'm going to just leave that like that. Okay, and then what I do for that one? I think I'm going to use this. No. Use this. Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay, that's fine. extra stuff here. Okay. It's kind of over here. No, I don't need to add that. What should I do with that one? Oh my god, I'm so struggling, guys. Ooh. What should I do? Oh, I know. Let's delete all this. Okay. And then I need a lot of wheels for this one. Because this is gonna be a G7. No. Is it called again? That car that has a... Okay. And then needs to be... Wait. To be like this. Oh yeah. Oh yes. The solution is being fixed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. Okay. And like that. Okay. Oh yeah. That looks so cool. Right, guys? That looks so cool. Okay. Okay. Oh no. I don't need this. Actually need this one. Yeah. Wait. Just like that. Okay. Okay. Wait, I can actually do this. Okay. I don't need to do that. Okay, and then to add a little block over. No, not that. It will not need this one. Yeah, okay. Okay. Need a little bigger back. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Where should I put it? I think I'm going to put it right. No, not here. Add over here. Oh my god, so struggling, guys. Please smack the like button, guys, because I'm so struggling. I cannot even do it right now. I'm so frustrated. I'm so frustrated. No. Oh my god. To pick out this one, yeah. Okay. Okay. Gonna be outside like that. Okay. Just like that. Okay, that's fine. Just imagine that is attached to it. Okay, just imagine. Because I cannot really attach to it. Okay. Okay. And this looks actually really good, guys. Let's actually add some of these. Some here. Okay, then over here too. Okay. No, not this one. Wait. I need to go back. Because there's actually another section over here. See? But oh no. I'm so frustrated. The colors. Wait. I'm so frustrated. Okay. No. Want that. This is gonna be like a modern one. My own one. Okay. Gonna be glowing. Like that. Okay, that looks actually really cool. Okay. I think I am done. Wait, I need to add a person in it. No, I don't want that. Okay. Whew. It was a really long time. Okay. Whew. Add this sound. Okay. And then let's go. Okay. Okay. Wow, this looks actually really cool. Wow. Okay. Go, mother. Your babies need to go somewhere. Let's do like that. And let's heat it. Okay. A nice full heat. Okay. No! Only. Oh no. I think he needs to jump. Oh god. Need a lot of speed. No, a lot of speed. Oh! Okay, I did it. Okay, let's go. Okay. Go here. Okay. What? Why is it like levitating? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go here. That's all. Wait, that sounds like a police car. What? Oh my god. No, I jumped. No. Oh, I can get that one. Okay. I only lost one, but that's fine. Whoa. Okay. A lot of speed. Let's go. A boost. Okay, get all the coins. Like eating it. Like num 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 num. Whoa, okay. And now it's a race. Let's go. Oh my god. Go. No, I'm going to lose. No, let's. Ooh, I did twice. Oh, I'm at the first. Let's go. Go. So close. No. Oh, I did it. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smack that like button and subscribe. And bye.